Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Blackstone 22-inch stand is probably one of the most versatile and convenient cooking solutions for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting out, this portable griddle offers a fantastic way to prepare a wide variety of meals with ease and efficiency, making it an excellent addition to your backyard, campsite, or tailgating adventures. Number 5. Blackstone 5013 Collapsible Tabletop Griddle Stand. This stand is designed to work with both 17-inch and 22-inch tabletop griddles. It offers versatile outdoor cooking applications for your convenience. Built with powder-coated steel, this stand is made to last. It provides long-lasting performance and is resistant to the elements. Its collapsible design features folding legs and a removable shelf. This allows for more compact storage and easier transportation. With adjustable legs, you can easily set the perfect height. This ensures a comfortable cooking position every time you use it. A removable side shelf provides extra space for meal prep or serving. This enhances your cooking convenience outdoors. This stand is lightweight and foldable, making it ideal for any adventure. Take it camping, tailgating, or on any outdoor excursion. It provides a stable and elevated surface for your griddle. This keeps your cooking area at an ergonomic and comfortable working height. What we like. This stand offers universal compatibility with popular griddle sizes and features adjustable legs for the perfect cooking height. Its collapsible design makes storage and transport a breeze. If you need a stable, adaptable surface for your griddle that's easy to move and store, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a great size for camping and tailgating. The griddle heats up quickly and evenly. Easy to clean and maintain. Number 4. Blackstone 5035 Tabletop Griddle Carry Bag. This carry bag is custom designed to perfectly fit your 17-inch or 22-inch tabletop griddle. Safely and easily transported to your favorite camping spot or any outdoor cooking event. Protect your investment with this heavy-duty bag made from 600D polyester. It performs best against extreme weather conditions, keeping your griddle safe while on the move. Transporting your griddle is made easy with a durable zipper and a comfortable handle. Reinforced stitching enhances its durability for long-lasting use. Crafted from the highest grade materials, this bag is made to withstand the harshest conditions. Cinch the straps for a tight fit and you'll be ready to make new memories. Safely transport your griddle to all your favorite outdoor cooking events. It's designed for ease, allowing you to simply invert the top onto the base and slide it in. Featuring high-impact resin handles and reinforced bottom straps, it securely lifts your griddle. This ensures reliable protection during both transport and storage. What we like. This bag is custom designed for a secure fit with your griddle and stand, offering excellent protection from the elements. It's made from durable, weather-resistant material with heavy-duty zippers and handles for easy transport. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your griddle during transport and storage, especially in various weather conditions, this bag is an excellent choice. What people say. The griddle heats up quickly and evenly across the entire surface. It's very portable and easy to set up, making it great for camping or tailgating. The side shelf provides convenient space for prep work and holding utensils. Number 3. EUTRKei Portable Grill Table for Blackstone Griddle. Introducing the ultimate all-in-one portable grill table, designed to perfectly complement your Blackstone griddle and other tabletop outdoor cooking equipment. It's your complete mobile kitchen solution. Built for the pros, this stand is the biggest and heaviest in its class, capable of holding up to 300 pounds. It remains incredibly stable while you cook, offering a rock-solid foundation for your culinary creations. Designed for life on the go, this cart folds down in just 3 easy steps. It becomes compact enough to fit in your truck, making it convenient to take anywhere your adventures lead. Enjoy a generous tabletop surface, perfect for pre-cooking preparation and serving. The lower shelf provides ample space for plates, tableware, and anything else you need to serve your delicious meals. Safety is paramount with our exclusive triple lock system for the legs frame. This ensures the table won't accidentally collapse during setup or transport, providing peace of mind while you cook. This stand features a double shelf design, a foldable condiment caddy, magnetic tool holders, and convenient hooks for all your grilling essentials. Everything you need is within easy reach. What we like. This is a feature-packed, all-in-one portable table designed for serious outdoor cooks. It boasts heavy-duty construction, ample prep space, and numerous organizational features like tool hooks and condiment caddies. If you want a robust, mobile cooking station that keeps everything organized and within reach, this stand is built for the pro in you. What people say. The Blackstone 22-inch stand is a fantastic addition to my outdoor cooking setup. It's incredibly versatile and allows me to cook a variety of meals with ease. The stand is sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for the griddle. I love how quickly it heats up and maintains a consistent temperature, making it perfect for searing steaks and cooking breakfast. I've used the Blackstone 22-inch stand for camping trips and backyard BBQs, and it has exceeded my expectations. The portability is a huge plus, as it folds down compactly for easy transport. The cooking surface is generous enough to feed a small group, and cleanup is a breeze. The even heat distribution ensures that everything cooks uniformly. This griddle stand is a game-changer for anyone who loves to cook outdoors. The design is simple yet effective, with a large cooking area that's perfect for pancakes, burgers, and stir-fries. The heat control is precise, allowing for delicate cooking or high-heat searing. It's a durable and reliable piece of equipment that has made outdoor cooking more enjoyable. Number 2. Yukon Glory Portable Grill Table for Blackstone. Introducing the ultimate portable griddle table. This versatile station transforms any spot into your personal griddle setup, perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Find your ideal cooking position with its adjustable height feature. Whether you're at a campsite, a tailgate, or in your backyard, it ensures comfort for every cook. Designed for life on the move, it folds down compactly for easy transport. It takes up minimal space, setting up and packing down in a flash. Crafted with commercial-grade construction, it's built to withstand the outdoor environment. It reliably holds your griddle and all your cooking needs without any shifting. This is the essential foundation for any flat-top setup, making it an ideal gift. Give the gift of portable, adjustable, and durable outdoor cooking. Its universal fit design accommodates Blackstone and other tabletop griddles. Enjoy the convenience of a stable cooking surface wherever you go. What we like. This portable griddle table offers universal fit and adjustable height, ensuring a comfortable cooking position anywhere. Its commercial-grade construction means it's built to last and holds your griddle securely. If you value a sturdy, adaptable setup for your flat top that can go from campsite to backyard with ease, this table is a fantastic foundation. What people say. The Blackstone 22-inch stand is a great addition for outdoor cooking, offering a spacious cooking surface and even heat distribution. It heats up quickly and is easy to clean, making it convenient for both beginners and experienced grillers. The portability of the 22-inch model is a major plus, allowing you to take it camping or to tailgating events with ease. Number 1. Blackstone 22-inch Griddle Carry Bag. This bag is custom designed to perfectly fit your Blackstone 22-inch tabletop griddle, even with its hood and stand. Its durable, water-resistant material ensures it stays clean and protected. Transport your griddle with confidence thanks to the strong and durable carrying handles. They are built to safely support up to 100 pounds, making loading and transport a breeze. The two-way separating zipper allows the top to open fully, making it incredibly easy to place your griddle inside. It's convenient for quick transport to your next outdoor adventure. Enjoy peace of mind with the reinforced stitching and wrapped handles that go from top to bottom. This design fully secures your tabletop griddle for complete protection. Keep your griddle dry and protected from scratches and scuffs. The thick, durable PVC-coated material is both waterproof and wear-resistant, ensuring it looks great wherever you go. What we like. This carry bag is specifically designed for your griddle, hood, and stand, offering robust protection with a water-resistant coating. The fully wrapped handles and heavy-duty construction ensure safe and easy transport. If you need a durable, custom-fit solution to keep your griddle safe from the elements and easy to carry, this storage case is the perfect match. What people say. The griddle heats up quickly and evenly across the entire surface, making it great for cooking multiple items at once. It's very portable and easy to set up, perfect for camping trips or tailgating. The built-in grease management system works effectively, making cleanup much simpler than expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.